Welcome to this quick and easy tutorial. I'll be showing you how to sell USDT on Bitget P2P. So start by opening up the Bitget Exchange app, and then once you're in here on your dashboard or under home, just swipe right. And then once done, you'll be able to see P2P. So tap on P2P, and then here we're going to sell, sell P2P, sell USDT. Okay, if USDT is not selected, just click on the drop down and click on USDT. Now, go out and find the payout method that you prefer. But before that, you will have to select your currency first. Okay, for example, you have an American bank. So just type down USD right here. And the payment methods available, click on the drop down. As you can see here, we have a ton that is available. Let's say you have Unibank. So tap on it, or even Wise right here. Okay, you just go ahead and filter this out. Just tap on confirm. And as you can see here at the very top, we have the one that has the available offer right here. If you want to sell your USDT to this person, and as you can see, they have their own limits as well. So the minimum of USDT that you can sell to this specific buyer is 500. Okay. And the maximum is 2,000. Let's say, for example, you only have 200 USDT. Well, this person is for you. Well, just tap on sell. Now go ahead and enter the amount. For example, 202. For example, 202. And then once done, payment method right here, you'll have Wise. Okay, tap on Wise. Enter your email or Wise email. Hit on confirm. Follow simple prompts. And then hit on sell USDT. That's basically it. That's how easy it is to sell USDT on Bitget P2P. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.